Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I will teach you how to create a product slider with Elementor for WooCommerce with WooCommerce free add-on. But before jump into the main tutorial, if you visit my YouTube channel WP Handy, then you will see already I have published lots of tutorials on WordPress like classified listing website, e-commerce website, Elementor, basic WordPress and much more. So if you want to learn WordPress, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Then let's get started. Very fast, let's check which I am going to do in this tutorial. So you can see this is an e-commerce website and currently I am visiting the home page. If I scroll down and very fast, you can see this is the best selling product. Then scroll down again and you can see this is the product slider and you can see this is the bullet navigation. And this is the left and right arrow navigation, and this is the product slider. So if you want to add this type of modern and light good design product slider in your WooCommerce website or online store, then this video is the perfect for you, and definitely I will do it with Elementor WooCommerce free add-on. That's why very fast go to the admin dashboard and we have to install a Elementor WooCommerce free add-on. So hover over on plugins and click on add plugin. And you have to search here Elementor. Actually its previous name was Elementor. Okay, so you have to write here Elementor. Yes, and you can see very fast it shows Elementor WooCommerce builder for Elementor and Gutenberg. So in this tutorial I am going to use this add-on. So click over here, install now. Then the activate. After install and activating the add-on, you will be redirected to this area. This is the admin area, and if you scroll down, then you can see this is the Elementor WooCommerce builder for Elementor and Gutenberg. So if you want, then you can go to the settings page from here and you can see this is the settings. And another way you can do it is just you can see in left side menu Elementor option is added here. So you can go settings page from here as well. So I want to go from here, just click over here settings. This is the Elementor settings panel and you can see it has lots of settings tab actually. Welcome, then the WooCommerce template, Gutenberg elements, module and extension. So in this tutorial I want to add product slider, that's why we have to work only this tab. This is the elements, just click over here, then you can see this is the lots of elements are here. Most of them are pro, you can see, and some of them are free. So in this tutorial I am going to use only the free version, that's why I have to use the free widget. Okay, and you can see this is the universal product style settings and I want to use only these elements. Okay, and you can enable and disable from here. If you click this toggle button, then it will be activate, or if you want, then you can deactivate from here. Okay, and you can see this is the style settings. So if you want, then you can change the settings from here. Just click over here, then you will see the settings panel. Click over here, then you can see this is the settings panel. Actually I will explain it is some time later. Okay, so again go to the website. Now I can close this example website, and this is the website where I want to add the product slider. Just click over here, edit with Elementor. Okay, just scroll down and you can see this is the best selling product and I want to add the product slider here. So click over here, this is the plus icon and take a new section. Okay, flex box, and I want to give it, then I want to give the, you can see this is the section box and box. I want to give it fluid and 100% is perfect. Then again click over here this plus icon and take another container and it will be like fluid, and I want to give it like 1280 pixel. Okay, 1280 pixel, and definitely it will be middle. So navigate to the advanced tab and just select this align center. Okay, and now I can give some padding for the main container or section. So select this area, this is the plus icon, then 6 dots, just click over here, then navigate to the advanced tab and I can give here just padding top will be like 50% and bottom will be like 50, sorry, it's actually 50 pixel, and bottom will be 50 pixel as well. Then again click this plus icon, and you can see you have to search here, or just you can search this way, just check the shop Elementor, okay, and you can see this is the shop Elementor, okay, or you can search from here just universal product layout, okay. You can see this is the universal product layout. Another way it will be easy, maybe just if you check this shop Elementor and you'll get it here. So just drag and drop here, then you can see this is the slider. Just click this pencil icon, and from the left side top you can see layout default. Actually I want to use slider, so you have to select slider from here. If you click this down arrow, then you'll see multiple option, and then you can set the slider. You can see this is the slider, and same height box, definitely all image or box height will be same, it's perfect. Then again query settings, just click over here, then you can see product limit. Actually I want to give here like 10 product, okay, so you have to give here 10. If you want, then you can give more like 8, 12, that's you need actually, okay. Then the product categories, you can show the specific product category from here, okay. So just I want to give here, okay, I think it will be perfect. So again, okay, if you keep it blank, then it will show from the all categories, okay. So I have selected this categories, okay, and if you want, then you can enable it. I want to keep it just default. Then again click over here content settings, and you can see hide title. Actually I want to hide this icon, actually you can see, okay, I'll see this is the hide title. Actually no, I want to show it, and I want to hide this rating. So click over here, then I can see the category border. You can see this is the border, I can hide it from here, it's perfect. Then the action button settings, and you can see action button. Actually I want to hide it from here, okay, so you can see hide it, it's perfect. Then again image settings, single image, actually, and if you want, then you can select another option. Actually I want to give it, I think it's perfect, okay. Then the content settings, actually I do not want to use it. If you want, then you can check it from here. Then the slider option, item slider item 3, it's perfect. If you want, then you can change it from here, like you can give here just 2 items, then you can see 2 images are showing here. Actually I think 3 will be perfect for me. Then the slider arrow, you can see this is the arrow, I want to use it, and slider dot, you can see this is the slider dot actually, okay. If you want, then you can use it, or you can hide it as well. Then the pause on hover, if you hover over on it, then the slider will be stopped, okay, so it's okay. Then the infinitive loop, yes, the slider will be loop, okay. Then the slider autoplay, sure, I want to the slide will autoplay, okay. Then the autoplay speed, I want to give here like 2500, it's perfect, and you can change the animation from here. I think it's perfect. So if you want, then you can just change the value and check it from here who is perfect for you, okay. Then you have to set it for the device, like slider items who is for the desktop and tablet, okay. You can change it from here. I want to keep it as like a default. Then navigate to the style tab, and you can see this is the style tab. I hope if you will check it, then you get it the settings very easily, okay. So style, and just click over here, and you can see this is the border color. Actually if you check these settings, I hope you will understand very easily. And this is the button style, you can change the button style from here, okay. And slider control, just click over here, then you can see background color. This is navigation arrow, this is the arrow, actually navigation arrow. If you want, then you can change it from here, okay. Then again go to the content and slider option, this is the slider arrow. Actually I disable it, so you can see now it looks correctly. Again go to the style tab, then you can change it from here. You can see, scroll down, and this is the slider control. Actually this is the background and the background color, this is the color, you can see. Then again you can see navigation dot, So I think it's perfect. If you want, then you can change the color from here. Okay, then publish it. Again go to the website and refresh the website, then check it. Okay, scroll down and you can see this is the slider which works perfectly. So in this way you can add this type of product slider in your e-commerce website or online store with Elementor and WooCommerce free add-on. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks.